Hi guys, my name is Maddie and I'm here in the AFI DIY lab to teach you guys how to make these adorable little sugar scrubs. They're perfectly handheld and great for deep exfoliation, so like that button if you're ready to jump in and we'll get started. The base of these scrubs are melt and pour soap, which will provide plenty of bubbly cleansing in the formula. Chop it into uniform chunks and it can be placed into the microwave for 30-second intervals to melt down. When your soap has completely melted, it is time to add the fractionated coconut oil. Give that a good stir and we can finish up with fragrance and sugar. I wanted to give these little cuties a wonderful fragrance to match, so with that in mind, I went with our honey and orange blossom fragrance. Add it in and give it another quick stir. Now we can add the sugar. This is my favorite part too. While stirring, slowly add the sugar, being sure to incorporate it as you pour. Working quickly, fill each of your molds into the mixture while it's still liquid. When all the molds are finally filled, we just have to wait at least an hour or two for them to completely cool and harden. And once they've completely solidified, we can pop them out. And just like that, our sugar scrub little hearts, they're all done. Aren't they so cute? I'm excited to use them. But of course, I went ahead and packaged these in a cute little clear jar here that really just showcases them really nicely. Because each cube costs less than $1 to make, we recommend selling this 8-ounce jar for about $2 to $4 wholesale and $6 to $10 retail, depending on the fragrance and the additives that you decide to use. Want more projects just like this one to add to your line? Well, let us know down in the comments down below. And don't forget to join our notification squad by subscribing and ringing that bell icon. As always, I'm Maddie and I'll catch you guys in the next video really soon. Bye!